Hello, time enthusiasts and interior design aficionados. I'm your go-to expert in the world of timekeeping, and I've been exploring the world of clocks for over a decade. Today, we're delving into the exciting realm of timepieces with the top 5 wall clocks in 2024. If you're passionate about transforming your space into a stylish and functional oasis, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into these exceptional timepieces, be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. Give that like button some love if you're as thrilled as I am. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of our time-conscious community. And of course, hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in home decor and reviews. Now let's explore these extraordinary wall clocks that are defining the future of timekeeping. Starting at number 5, Adorn Wall Clock. The Adorn Wall Clock is a masterpiece that exudes luxury and antique charm. With a wooden circular design, this large clock is a decorative delight for your living room. It's equipped with a pendulum, making it an attention-grabbing piece. This clock is not just a timepiece, it's a statement of classic style. The single-face clock features swingable elements, calendars, and a loudspeaker mute function. Its resin body and wooden accents create a sense of timeless beauty. If you're looking for a wall clock that's more than just a time teller, the Adorn Wall Clock is perfect. Its antique design and classic style are sure to enhance the ambience of your living space. At number 4, Adorn Metal Wall Clock. The Adorn Metal Wall Clock mechanism is a double-faced, Nordic-inspired timepiece that adds character to your living room or bedroom. Made from high-quality metal, it's both durable and long-lasting. This clock features a quartz movement that plays Westminster or Ave Maria tunes, making it unique and far from traditional. Its quiet mechanism is ideal for those who prefer a peaceful environment. If you're in search of a durable and unique wall clock, the Adorn Metal Wall Clock is an excellent choice. It's not just a time-telling device, it's a piece of art and a conversation starter. At number 3, a 00238 large wall clock. The A00238 large wall clock is a gold-toned, Nordic-inspired masterpiece that adds sophistication to any room. Made from metal, it features a lotus leaf design with circular geometry pointers. The battery-operated clock ensures a mute operation with the help of carbon batteries. With its stylish yet understated appearance, this clock is perfect for your living room or bedroom. Its unique design and large size make it an attractive focal point. For those who appreciate artistic and functional decor, the A00238 large wall clock is an excellent choice. The use of carbon batteries ensures durability and accuracy, making it a standout piece in your home. At number 2, Luxury Decorated Sun Wall Clock. The Luxury Decorated Sun Wall Clock is the epitome of modern design and subtlety. Crafted from metal, it's both large and suitable for a variety of living room scenes. It's so quiet that you'll hardly notice it's there unless you're admiring its stylish appearance. This clock is an ideal decoration for your living room or office. Its quiet and silent operation ensures it doesn't disturb your peace, while its large size adds a decorative element. If you're looking to enhance your living space with a touch of modernity and quiet elegance, this clock is an excellent choice. Its silent operation and large size make it perfect for various interior design styles. Number 1, C523 Silent Wall Clock. The C523 Silent Wall Clock is the perfect addition to your living space if you appreciate tranquility and style. The silent, non-ticking mechanism ensures a peaceful environment. It's battery-operated, and the smooth second hand guarantees accurate timekeeping. With a modern design, this clock features a 10-inch diameter, making it a suitable decoration for any room. The white face with large black numbers and hands adds a contemporary touch. The glass front cover gives it a classic yet modern look. For those who value both aesthetics and functionality, this wall clock is a wonderful choice. Whether it's for your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, the C523 brings a sense of calm to your space.